Welcome to the next session, which is session variables. So session variables are the data items that can be modified at runtime from control room. So now you have to be very clear what is environment variable, where you are going to use that, and what is session variable and what is the use of that. Any configuration that may need changing a process session can be exposed as an environment variable. So if you want to do any changes to your running session of your process, then you can expose some certain variable as a session variable, so that can get effective to your current session. So you have some different three session variables available in your default process template itself, which is stop after time and stop after items, and next to that you have stop ASAP, which is as soon as possible. So these are three variables which is available in your process template itself by default as a session variable, where you can use it in your process. So coming up next, I'm going to show you in process template what are these three variables and how it has been exposed. So now we are back again to the Blue Prism, where I'm going to go to one of the process. We'll take the same process as I explained in the theoretical part. We'll take process template basics 1. In that they have defined three default session variables. We are going to see the same one so that it will be easy for you to understand and use in your upcoming process development. So just open the process. So I've just opened the process. As I said, we have that session variable which is already exposed, and you can be able to see here as a stop after time, which is exposed as a session variable, and stop after item that is also exposed as a session variable. So apart from that, now I'm going to show you directly how to do that session variable. You have to use the data properties again, data item, and in the data item you have to double click it where it will open the data properties. So here you can give the name whatever name you want, and the type also you can choose. You can give it as date, time, or so on, so whatever you want. Here you have to use session expose this data item to control room. So you have to choose this option and define the value whatever you want. So if you want to specify some date and time, you can choose it like 3 a.m. or 4 a.m., whatever it is, and expose this as a data item, which is a session variable, so that it will be used in your control room when it is running in the proper session. So coming up next, we are going to see how to start and stop using the session variable, or how to control the session variable from control room. So see you in the next part.